Glyphosate is the most widely used herbicide in the United States. It was discovered in the late 1960s, patented by Monsanto in 1974, and came off of patent in 2000. It kills a broad spectrum of plants and was initially limited to non-crop and fallow use and was expensive. The use of glyphosate increased significantly around 2000 when it came off of patent and genetically engineered crops with resistance to glyphosate were developed. The popularity of glyphosate is based on its broad spectrum of weed control, lack of soil residual activity which does not limit what can be planted following use, low mammalian toxicity, and its current affordability. Unfortunately, the heavy reliance on glyphosate has led to an alarming increase in resistant weeds and shifts to tolerant weeds. Although no weeds in this area have yet to be documented to be resistant, weed shifts have occurred. Glyphosate is a broad-spectrum, foliar-applied, and highly systemic herbicide. It is absorbed by the foliage and moves throughout the plant. It works by inhibiting the production of EPSP enzyme that is needed for many phases of plant growth and development. It uses the same general mode of action as many other herbicides that inhibit amino acid synthesis. Most of these others are ALS inhibitors such as Pursuit, Raptor, Express, Affinity, Sandia, Osprey, and others. Glyphosate and sulfosate, which is Touchdown, are the only ones that inhibit the EPSP enzyme. It can persist in the soil but is highly bound and tightly bound to the soil and has no activity. Although it kills many weeds, its performance can greatly be affected by many factors. These include application variables and environmental factors, as well as characteristics of the weeds. The factors affecting glyphosate have been intensively studied, are interrelated, and can be complex. A brief and simplified review of the most important of these factors appears on our web page by just clicking on that site. Thank you.